Hi friends, today's topic is about environment management system and its applications. Introduction to environmental management system. Environmental management system provide a systematic approach to managing the environmental aspects of an organization. They help organization completely with environmental regulations and improve sustainability practices. The core framework of an EMS is based on the Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) model. In Plan, goals and objectives and environmental management plan. In Do, implementation, training and education. In Check, monitoring, internal external audits. In Act, corrective and preventative action and management review. Now let us know about the importance of environment management system. Implementing an EMS can lead to reduced environmental impact and resource consumption. Organization can enhance their reputation and stakeholder trust by demonstrating commitment to environmental stewardship. An effective EMS can result in cost saving through improved operational efficiency. Here in the image they are given resource use like management of resource use and efficiency, energy and water use like controlling and reducing water usage and being energy efficient, waste generation, carbon emission, measuring and reducing your organization carbon footprints like biodiversity, prevention of biodiversity loss. Now let us know about the key components of environment management system. An EMS typically includes policies, objectives, and procedures that guide environmental performance. It involves identifying and assessing environmental impacts associated with an organization activities. Continuous improvement is a fundamental component ensuring ongoing assessment and enhancement. Here in the figure, they are given the key components of EMS management review. First, starting like environmental policy and planning, like environmental aspects, legal and other requirements, objectives and targets, environmental management program, implementation. Next step is implementation, like structure and responsibility, training, awareness, competence, communication, EMS documentation, document control, operational control, emergency preparedness response. Next step is checking corrective actions, monitoring and measurement, non-conformance and corrective and preventive action, records, EMS, audits. Next step is management review. Like this, the key components of EMS continuously act in the management process. Now let us know about the standards and frameworks. The most widely recognized standards for EMS is ISO 14001, which provides a framework for effective environmental management. Other frameworks includes EMAS, Eco Management and Audit Scheme, and various national standards. Adopting these standards can help organizations benchmark their performance and achieve international recognition. Here in the figure about the ISO 14001 EMS framework they are given. First is context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, improvement. These are the standards and frameworks of the ISO 14001. Now let us know about the planning phase of EMS. The planning phase involves establishing environmental objectives and targets aligned with the organization policy. Organization must assess their legal requirements and identify potential environmental impacts. Risk assessment and prioritization are essential to focus on significant environmental aspects. First, in the figure, they are given define objectives, develop premises, evaluate alternatives, identify resources, establish tasks, determine tracking and evaluation methods. These are the planning phases of the EMS. Now let us know about the implementation phase. During the implementation phase, organizations develop and execute actions, plans to achieve their environmental objectives. Employee training and awareness programs are critical to foster a culture of environmental responsibility. Adequate resources and responsibilities must be allocated to ensure effective implementation. Here in the figure, they are given about the implementation phases of the project phases in an implementation. Now let us know about the monitoring and measurement. Monitoring and measurement are crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of an EMS. Organization should establish key performance indicators (KPIs) to assess progress towards environmental goals. Regular audits and inspections help identify areas for improvement and ensure compliance. Here in the figure they are given about the monitoring the measurement process, determine what needs to be monitored and measured, determine criteria and methods to ensure valid results, determine time and frequency of monitoring and measuring is to be performed and data records, ensure participation of workers and representatives as applicable, calibrating or verified monitoring and measurement equipment as appropriate. Now let us know about the management review. The management review process evaluates the overall performance of the EMS and identifies opportunities for enhancements. Senior management must be involved to ensure alignment with strategic goals and objectives. This review is an opportunity to adjust policies and objectives based on performance data. Here in the figure, they are given about the management review. First, environmental policy. Next, planning, implementation, checking and correction, management review. This is the time to time process of the management review in the environmental process. Now, let us know about the continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is a foundational principle of EMS focusing on enhancing environmental performance over time. Organizations are encouraged to set new goals and improve process based on feedback and audits. This proactive approach helps organizations adapt to changing environmental regulations and stakeholder expectations. Here are the principle of continuous process improvement in the figure. Now let us know about the benefits of EMS. Implementing an EMS can lead to significant cost saving through efficient resource use and waste reduction. Organizations often experience enhanced regulatory compliance, reducing the risk of penalties and legal issues. An effective EMS can improve employee morale and engagement by fostering a sense of purpose responsibility. Now let us know about the benefits of EMS in the figure. Improve environmental awareness, reduce environmental impacts, resource savings like natural and monetary, meet regulatory compliance, better community image, better communication about environmental issues. Now let us know about the challenges in implementing EMS. Organization may face resistance to change from employees or management when implementing an EMS. Limited resource, both financial and human, can hinder the effective establishment of an EMS. Ensuring continuous engagement and training is crucial to overcoming these challenges. Here in the figure, they are given the challenges like how or where to start, dealing with data migration, integrating Salesforce with other systems, complicating the implementation, complete requirements, training or adoption for staff or leadership, selecting right sales force implementation partner. Now let us know about the case studies of successful EMS. Many organizations across various sectors have successfully implemented EMS demonstrating best practices. For instance, manufacturing companies often report reduced waste and energy consumption after EMS implementation. Service sector organizations similarly find that an EMS can enhance customer satisfaction through improved sustainability. Here in the figure, they are given about the case studies like plan, do, check, act, continuous improvement cycle, frameworks of elements like environmental policy, environmental impacts, objectives and targets. These are the legal and other requirements. Action plan, roles and responsibility, communication, training and awareness, monitoring and measurement, assessment, evaluation, modification. These are the case studies of successful EMS. Now let us know about the future trends in EMS. There is a growing emphasis on digital tools and technologies to streamline EMS processes and data management. Companies are increasingly integrating EMS with other management systems such as quality management system QMS. Sustainability reporting and transparency are becoming crucial for organizations to communicate their environmental performance. Here in the figure, they are given the future trends like from first PPS is a company-wide tool management, NC programming and stimulation system. Company networks, these are the company networks, tool management, NC program management, pallet management, transport control, job management, PDA, MDA, cell visualization. These are environmental management system. NC machine N1 into N, on to N, transport system, clamping stations, toll presenters. These are the cell networks of the EMS. These are the company networks of the EMS. Now let us know about the role of stakeholders in EMS. Stakeholders, including employees, customers, and regulators, play a vital role in the success of an EMS. Engaging stakeholders in the planning and implementation phases can enhance buy-in and support. Open communication about environmental goals and performance fosters trust and collaboration. Here in the figure, they are given the types of stakeholders in company, internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. There are the certain of the internal stakeholders like employees, board members, shareholders. In external stakeholders, there are customers, investors, suppliers, creditors, and labor union, communities, government. Conclusion about the topic. An effective environmental management system is essential for organizations committed to sustainability. By following structured process and engaging stakeholders, organization can significantly improve their environmental performance. The continuous evaluation of EMS will be critical in addressing global environment challenges and promoting sustainable practices. Here in the figure, they are given the conclusion like same plan, do, check, act about the EMS. Please like the video. Thank you.